Well, hey there, people. Well, I was going to go scrapping, but my heater kicked out on me. I can't scrap with my windows all foggy. I can't see anything. Anyway, we'll have a peek, see what's happening. Well, anyway, I had a problem last year, and it was back here, like all my wires are all fried and that. Gasoline hooked me up, fixed it up, but I think something came unplugged, so we'll pull that out and see what it looks like back there. Alright, I got her opened up. And I can see here that there's two that are disconnected, so I'll take all this tape off, reconnect them, and see what happens. Well, hey there, people. Well, today I'm just going to cash in a little scrap. Yeah, I'm just going to clean up some of the shit that's in my yard. I'm not going to scrap the tranny. It's still a good tranny. It's out of an older Jeep. I forget what year, but it used to be metal G's. So anyway, I'll put that on Kijiji and try to sell it for a couple bucks. We'll see. Alright, let's load this truck. Well, there we go. I'm all loaded, ready to go. I decided to clean some copper, a little copper. Got the nasty copper and the good copper. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, can't forget to mention the battery. Well, there's $5 right there. Let's go. Hey, relax. You don't like that puppy? Hey. Cash, relax. Just to give you guys a better view of what I've got. Oh, I forgot to cut an extension. Bad boy. Bad scrapper. There we go. Alright, we're here at the scrapyard, obviously. We're just going to bypass the scale for now. We'll go get this copper and unload that battery, then we'll go back on the scales. Hey, why do you gotta bark at people? He only barks at certain people, I don't get it. It's my buddy Dawson, working hard. Well, I kept the tranny. I just have to get the year off of Metal G and I'll throw it on Kijiji. Supposedly it's a good tranny, so. Well, there's today's receipt. Not too bad. Gotta like those days. So right on, right on. Not too bad of a day, I guess. Can't complain with that. Well, anyway, I was talking to Metal G last night, and he wants to go see, well, they're playing at the Colston Hotel. So we're gonna go see them tonight, if they let me in, that is. Well, last time crazy British bloke was in town, we went there and supposedly we beat up all the bouncers. I don't know. Anyway, so they banned me for life. We'll see if I can get in. Like, I'm not a fighter, there's no way. Like, the guy has me confused with somebody else. Like, there's no way I can beat up a fly. Anyway, we're off to Metal G's and, well, he doesn't like the camera, so we'll see if I can sneak it once in a while. Oh, and at the Colson, I won't be able to do any video at all. I got in trouble for that too before. They're real strict there. There's signs everywhere saying no cameras, no cell phones, nothing. Anyway, let's go to Metal G's. So yeah, I was talking to my buddy Gitzibo. He's in. He wants to go see Killer Dwarf. So we're here to pick up Gitzibo. There's Gitzibo. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is the 4th time I've taken this truck out this summer. Pretty sad. I haven't even washed it once. Not once. Gitzibo!
They have Mustangs and all
It's
that.
their car. Woo! Well, we're here at, stop it. Anyway, we're here at Gary's. We've been here for a while. We're prepping for the show, like the big show. Gary cheated, or Metal G cheated. He's already been there. He's got the whole band to sign a poster. I don't know where it is. I'll show you in a sec. But meanwhile, We got our tickets. VIP section. Well, there's Metal G's signed poster. Very cool. And there's mine from last time. I only got one. Anyway, maybe we'll fill this up tonight.
So someone was nice enough to just get me a vodka, and I dropped it. Can you mute this for a second? What? I dropped the vodka. You're the man. Oh, thank you so much, Rick.
See, my idea was...
Yeah, pleasure meeting you.
My idea was having Russ over my head with the dwarfs.
Everything worked out.
Smokes in the bar. Yeah, I got one. That's it.
That's it. Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
You're fucking up this Saturday.
Jerry Kane.
We can find you on Facebook, or?
Yeah.
Well, no, you know what? We're gonna find Jerry Kane on my channel.
Okay, we're gonna find one
On
thing.
marcelstjean's channel.
Jerry Kane, beyond to meet you and everything, but we gotta get a cab up. Fucking rock and roll, buddy. I love you, man. Good shit.
I want to hear some
You and my deck
harmonica a little bit.
Okay. Because I love Neil Young, man.
A little harmonica right off the bat.
Pocahontas to me.
This is horrible.
It's beautiful, that's what it is.
Okay. I'm going to get fucking
Where are you gonna go get a cab for?
If a cab.
Metal G has a strange thing.
Metal G.
He can settle problems.
They manufactured it.
James Hetfield, right there.
Yes. No, it's not
James Hetfield. James Hetfield.
Killer dwarfs,
Yeah.
Dirty weapons.
Yeah.
Oh, it was just fucking killer.
Awesome,
It was
man.
fucking awesome, man.
All those fucking guys now.
It's just fucking, the guy's doing handstands on the fucking stage, still like fucking 48 years old or whatever.
Can you say feeling good? I was blasted, man. Anyway, what a great night. Like, Killer Dwarfs actually kick ass, like, totally. Anyway, I didn't get much video done in the bar itself for obvious reasons. Anyway, cheers, people. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.